Hi everybody, just checking in here at Panama City Beach. This is a Miller Pier. It survived the Michael hurricane. I believe they kicked that up as a Category 5 is what it hit. I'm just happy to be here. My house survived. All the damage was all on the outside of the home, which is fine with me. I feel very blessed after seeing what happened to Mexico Beach. Looks like these buildings did okay. But we're definitely rebuilding here on the beach side. Gas is limited. You have to wait in line for fuel. Grocery stores the food stores don't have much food at all in them. A lot of businesses are not open. Even though it's electric, but there's just a lot of repairs that needs to be done. But they're getting the lights working again. Stop lights are working, so it's getting safer. Okay guys, I'll check back in later. Maybe try to get some more videos when I can. Take care. Bye-bye.